just got to the AQUAVENTURE right now. Good morning and welcome to another vlog. We are just following this man over here because of the package my mom bought. It's the VIP package where you get your own cabana and everything like that, so you don't have to sit in the public with the other people, as long as you don't have to wait in line to get on all of the rides and all that, and to enter just makes it a lot easier. So he's taking us through that there. I'll show you guys how it looks when we get there. Then we're going to go explore and take on some of the rides. What's up guys, we're in our private cabana. It's pretty cool. This is the same one that when Anthony Joshua here, my brother, was just saying he hired out this one. So what it is, you can see we've got, it's the whole private area. We know one else can come in just so we've got our 6 chairs we can lie on. We've got a little hammock. We've got it to walk around this way. You'll see we have a little bed, undercover, places to chill, an eating area and all that with the guy behind us, man, he's our private butler and all of that. So if we need anything, he comes and helps us. We've got some tubes right on the lazy river. It comes in handy because especially when it gets really busy as it is in Christmas time, it takes really long to wait for your tubes. Tubes never come, you've got to wait to try and find lying down area. We've got the bathroom next to us, so it's really cool. Thank you so much, Mom. It's not too hot today, but it helps being in this private little area. You can just hear I'm sitting there. Kayla's also now got an eye problem. She's lying down there. My mom and my other sister. So really looking forward to today. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. And then we also literally right on our beach from the private cabana. It's just a cool thing to do because then you're away from all the crowds because it gets really busy. You've got an absolutely stunning view in front of you, private bathrooms, don't have to wait in lines, just everything. It's really awesome, beautiful sunny day. If you want to go take full advantage, this is the view you get to see as you come along. Then there's all this stuff going on the beach, so it's like suck it all in, it's stunning. You can even do a little sailboating stuff down there. Most of the people will come and sit here, but this is going to fill up quickly. I'm going to go the no sun cream route, which will probably backfire really badly on me, but I've just been in the snow for the last 6 months, haven't seen the sun, and also our area is completely shaded in that. So just going to see, maybe if it gets too bad I'll throw some sun cream on, but really looking forward to this day. Just a big thank you again to my mom for making all this possible. It's a so real experience. It's something that makes me work harder, so one day that I can try and supply the life that we were given to my children, I hope that one day. So really cool, really excited. We just got back, I ordered some food because it's lunchtime. As you can see, we've got our meals going on there. Mick and Cass are sitting at the table. He just served us. We're going to relax in that. Could I steal a mayonnaise, please? And a tomato sauce. Thank you very much.
I'll get for you more, no problem.
And then the lazy river's right there. So I'm good. Nice bit. I'm all good, thank you.
Okay.
No problem.
Tay just bought all his food. And then afterwards we're going to go lazy river probably again. And then up that big tower down there, tower in the distance. There are 2 other rides with like 6 or 7 rides each time. We're doing that. The weather's actually turned out really nice today. Time is flying. And this is the tubes they gave us, and then we all got these. They refillable AQUAVENTURE, like obviously cups you drink out of. And after lunch we got a whole fruit basket. We have a safe down there in there to lock all of our stuff. We've got another cabinet, menu, a little area where the help stay to help us out. And then what I was saying with how close we are to the lazy river and everything, just hop in, takes you around, and then the beach is down there like I said. The rest of the family is just chilling through there, and then the bathrooms through there. So it's nice in the aspect that we don't have to wait for the bathrooms, be out of the shade and away from the crowds because it is so busy in there. All the tourists is just absolutely pumping. But it's been a lovely day. It's already 2 o'clock, but 2 hours left, and we're going to leave at 4. We are just finishing up our day here. What is the time? 3:30. We're going to leave now at 4:45 because my mom needs to go back to the doctor. She has to go every day. Today's just been, not today, just this trip's been like a war zone. What the fuck was that? Holy shit, that's disgusting. Yo, please. Is it bleeding again? Yo, my brother, he's also got a messed up nose from all the rugby we played. He went down the really steep slide there and the water pressure was really high, and it just, it's bleeding now. No more tissue. And it just caused a crazy amount of blood to come out, so that's a little bit gross. So he's soldiering on, hopefully he's going to be okay. I'm just going to eat up some fruit. It's been so lovely, such a nice day, probably the best stuff. We've been here before when it's been much hotter and a lot less people, but it was so nice here being in the shade, being isolated, just really getting to spend some family time together. So we're just going to get ready now, and yeah, not too sure what we're going to do tonight. It's Christmas Eve right now, so good Yule, which means Happy Christmas or Merry Christmas in Norwegian. I'm busy learning, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know if I'll continue it later, but if not, I'll put my Instagram link, and if you're not following me, you guys are missing out. If you saw the photos today, it's just really cool. You can interact with me, so please like the video, hit that subscribe button, and thanks so much for watching.